Cambrian mountains are studded with 130 abandoned workings. Cwmwstwyth was closed back in 1921, though some still believe a fortune lies beneath the sheep-cropped hillsides. But today's treasure lies firmly above the surface: tourists. A miner's trail, still under construction, takes you round the old Llwyernog silver lead mine, back to the days when pumps were powered by water wheels. And you can find out for yourself just what it was like to go prospecting. Only you won't find silver in them there hills. Just a post box. Across the same mountains, puffing and panting like a breathless pack horse, British Rail's last steam train. The narrow-gauge Vale of Rheidol Railway takes 1 hour to cover the 12 miles from Aberystwyth to Devil's Bridge as it climbs and clings to the 1 in 50 gradient. The Rheidol stag, not the work of an artistically inclined forester, but accidentally scored into the valley side by toxic waste from a lead mine. Unlike most of Ware's other great little trains, this one was actually built in 1902 to take tourists up to the beauty spot of Devil's Bridge, rather than serve these surrounding mines, although that was important too. Incidentally, for the best views of this magnificent scenery, you should sit on the left-hand side, going up, that is. The natural beauties of Devil's Bridge even moved Wordsworth to pen a poem of praise. Add the sound of steam, and you've a memorable way of rounding off an old-fashioned seaside holiday.